All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to talk about a topic that really needs to be brought to the forefront because I was complaining about it the other day. So we're going to talk about the other side of it, and that is, well, training your replacement. We need a culture where that is the norm. Now, I talked about, I train my replacement. It is what it is. But culture in shops, from the management down, needs to change. Let's talk about developing a culture of training in shops. Part of my job as a shop foreman was to train anybody that was willing to learn, bring up their skills, and I accepted that full-heartedly. I did it, and do I regret it? No, actually I do not. Bam Bam came along very quickly. He learned a lot of stuff. He's a great tech. Do I regret sharing my knowledge with him? No, I don't. Does it suck that I got fired? Yes. I think this is a learning experience for shop owners. We need to develop a culture of this is ingrained. We need to be training techs. We need to be bringing up techs in the shop. I know there'll be a lot of arguments about this, but on the fact of is there should be that kind of structure in every shop. There should be somebody that is compensated for training technicians, be it a shop foreman, be it a lead tech, but they should be compensated in their paycheck so it's encouraged. I know I complained about training my replacement, but the fact of the matter is we need techs. We need techs that will improve their skills. And as somebody that has trained many, many techs over the years, we need to encourage it. We need techs to grow up. We need them to expand their skills. We need to expand their skills as far as they can go to be the next generation. Keep in mind that video went live. There was a bunch of shops that was my job. Yes, it was my job. And I did it to the best of my ability to train everybody in that shop with the skills I knew. And that needs to be more normalized. Yes, I trained my replacement, but let's move on from that. The fact is that this should be the culture. We need to encourage people to increase their skills. And the older guys, yeah, you might get replaced. You're an older guy, you can find a job, I can find a job. My point of this is we need to normalize that. We need to have every shop that has more than a couple techs. They bring in a new guy, there need to be somebody there to help them along. So many shops are focused on the dollar. I'm not hiring a kid that wants to learn, is, young and excited and wants to bring up those skills. I don't have time for that. We need to get out of that mindset. We need to take those kids and in-house bring their level of skill up and up and up. We need to encourage it. I know I've been negative, but negative gets views, so let's just say. But still, I still firmly believe we need to train the next generation. I think shops need to invest in that mindset. Does it create profit immediately? No, but it will over the long haul. If nothing else, it will increase the labor pool that you can pull from in the future. If you treated somebody right, they decide to move on for greener pastures, they may come back. I met a kid the other day that literally drives, I think, 60 miles a day or something like that to go work at a shop because that was the best shop he's ever worked for, and he commutes to work at that shop. A lot further than I would, but he's a little younger than me. I think we need to make sure shops change their mentality when it comes to that. We need talent. Talent comes from youth. Youth needs to be molded into a good tech. I encourage all shop owners to develop in-house training. Make sure you pay whoever's doing the training to do it because, free sucks. Keep in mind, I've done free training for 20 plus years and I never had a problem with it. But it's a lot easier when you're paid for it. So Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.